A bloody attack in a popular Visalia steakhouse leads investigators to another brutal crime. Police learned of the homicide after detaining a 54-year-old suspect who they say beat a man with a sledgehammer in a separate attack. You can see here on this map now where the two crimes happened. One is a homicide and the other is what police are calling an attempted homicide. Action News reporter Nick Garcia is live in downtown Visalia tonight with what we know about the two violent crimes that took place less than a mile apart. Nick?
Rival Nash's Steakhouse is just down the street here in the heart of Visalia. People who were here earlier today tell me it was a quiet Monday morning until a man entered Nash's with a knife and a sledgehammer. Just before noon on Monday, the lunch rush at Nash's Steakhouse in downtown Visalia was brutally interrupted. Police say Michael Major placed an order for food. Then while waiting for his meal, he pulled out a sledgehammer and started hitting an employee in the head.
And it was kind of surprising because historically, we don't see that kind of a situation.
Other employees were able to grab the sledgehammer and a knife from Major and call 911. Major ran to nearby Kauai Health, where he was arrested and told investigators about another crime. Police say when they got to the house Major told them about, near Stevenson Court and Allen Avenue, they found a dead body.
Well, how can that happen? I mean, this is a beautiful, safe, small community of believers, so to speak, and nice people, and it was just, you just don't like to feel that that's close by.
Visalia police say it's unclear if Major knew the person who was found dead, but that, along with the motive for the hammer attack, is under investigation. Meanwhile, local leaders say they're going to do all they can to keep Visalia safe.
Downtown is the heart of Visalia. Downtown is secure. It is safe. We want to make sure it continues that way. We want to make sure that people come to downtown. They bring families downtown.
He says that could include requesting more patrols from police in the downtown area.
But I don't think we can stop moving and going and living. We just have to. We can't let them win over our sense of peace and well-being.
And the victim of that hammer attack was rushed to the hospital. Earlier, he was expected to survive, but his current condition is not known. As for Major, this evening he was booked into the Tulare County Jail on a number of charges, including murder, attempted murder, and sexual assault. Live in downtown Visalia, I'm Nick Garcia, ABC 30 Action News.